Picture this. Your team is closing month-end books. Hundreds of reports needs to be sent to stakeholders in finance, operations and HR. Instead of manual effort, BI Publisher automates it by bursting invoices to customers, sending payroll summaries to HR, and pushing compliance reports to auditors, all the while maintaining brand consistency. For executives, it's about one thing: driving better decisions in a faster way and reducing operational costs. BI Publisher solves this by enabling multilingual formats and even embedding barcodes for faster logistics. BIP in Oracle Cloud Fusion isn't just a reporting tool. It's your organization's storytelling engine that delivers the right data in the right format to the right people. For organizations, BI Publisher is a great investment as it saves time and increases efficiency. For developers and consultants, learning this tool makes you more valuable. You will help your team work smarter and deliver stronger results. To get the full picture on this topic, check out my previous two videos before watching this one. They will help you connect the dots. Hello and welcome. Today we are going to explore a few key concepts in developing BI Publisher report in Oracle Fusion Cloud. We will move step by step, starting with bursting, then into customizing reports, ESS jobs and job sets, subtemplates for reusability, barcode for automation, multi-language support, and finally report migration between environments. So let's begin. Bursting in BI Publisher. Bursting is a process in Oracle ERP that allows you to split data into smaller blocks, generating documents for each block and then deliver those documents to one or more destinations. Here is how it works. The data is generated by executing the query once, then it's split based on a key value. When setting up the bursting definitions, there are three key elements: split by, deliver by, and deliver query. Split by determines how the data is split. For example, you might split a batch of invoices by customer ID. Deliver by controls how formatting and delivery options are applied. And delivery query is a SQL query that constructs the delivery XML data file. The delivery XML contains 5 key properties: the key, template, locale, output format, and delivery channel. The delivery channel has 3 options. It can be bursting by email, bursting by FTP, and bursting by UCM. If you choose bursting by email, for this we need to enable bursting in report properties, and you can use lookups from table FND lookup values to store the email addresses dynamically. Bursting by FTP. Configure FTP server details in Fusion Administration. Enter credentials securely by using SSH private key details. Ensure the delivery channel in the XML is set to FTP. Bursting by UCM. Here you will provide the Universal Content Management Server URL, and content server details like server name and URL needs to be configured in the admin section. Next is customizing standard reports. Standard reports are pre-built, but often you will need to tailor them to match your organization's processes. Here is the approach. Step number 1, clone the standard report, and this ensures the base version remains untouched. Step 2 is customize at 2 levels. 1. Data model adjustment or report layout customization. For data model adjustment, you can modify underlying SQL queries, data sets, or data sources. Layout customizations require adjustment of the layout template for your specific needs. For seeded layouts, clone the standard layout from the analytics server. Access the XMLB server via your base Fusion URL +/XMLB server. Download the data model XML, Customize it, upload the new layout and disable the old one. Testing custom layouts. If the report is not linked to the ESS job, that is, the report is run as part of a process such as purchase order creation, update the enterprise job scheduler package definition with the customized layout. If it has a ESS job, go to setup and maintenance, enterprise scheduler job definition, remove the standard template and associate your new one. Customizing the data model, it can take two different paths. If there is no lexical parameters in your dataset, create a new dataset with additional field, add a data link to the existing dataset, upload the updated model and remove the old one after backup. If there is lexical parameters, download the zip from XMLP server, edit the .xdm file to update queries and elements, then upload the new model. ESS jobs and job sets. ESS job sets allows you to run multiple jobs sequentially or in parallel. This is perfect for interdependent reports. Typical use cases: financial close, running accounting reports in sequence, or HR payroll, generating payroll summaries and deductions as part of a larger process. When defining job sets, you can run sequentially or in parallel. Add conditional routing, for example, stop if there is an error or proceed even if there is a warning. ESS job customization. Go to setup and maintenance, manage enterprise scheduler job, search for the job and duplicate it. ESS jobs can be equated to privileged roles. So after creating a new job, go to Tools, Security Console and run LDAP Sync ESS job programs. This is a set of 3 ESS jobs. Send pending LDAP requests, retrieve latest LDAP changes, import user and security role tables. Once these 3 ESS jobs are run, assign the privileged role by creating a custom job role and then map it to the user. Subtemplates for reusability. Subtemplates help maintain consistency across multiple reports. They are great for headers, footers and branding elements. How to use subtemplates? Create a subtemplate in an RTF format. Upload it to the BI Publisher library. Copy the report path. In the main template, use BI Publisher's import syntax to embed the subtemplate. You can even call subtemplates conditionally. For example, different headers for business units in India, US or UAE. For better quality performance, consider using with clause instead of nested subqueries in the data model. Barcodes in BI Publisher. Barcodes are essential in logistics, healthcare and tracking automation. There are 2 types of barcodes, 1D linear barcode and 2D matrix barcode. Linear barcodes are used in shipping labels and matrix barcodes store more data which are useful for embedding URLs or detailed info. To enable barcodes, obtain the TFT font file in BI Publisher admin, upload sender, add the font and map it to the required base font. You can now generate barcodes dynamically, example scanning, order confirmation during fulfillment processes. Multi-language reports. BI Publisher supports multilingual layouts effortlessly. Steps involved: in the report layout properties, extract the translation. This downloads the XLF file. Update the source language and target language using either client-provided translation or tools like Google Translate. Upload the translation file. Set the locale, example French or Arabic as required. In report output options, choose the desired language for display. Report migration between environments. When moving reports from one environment to another, archive the report in the source environment. In the target environment, unarchive it. There are two key tips. Maintain the same folder structure for data models and layouts. Always migrate from the analytics server and not XMLP server. So we have explored bursting, customizing layouts and data models, ESS jobs and job sets, subtemplates for reusability, barcode integration, multi-language support and migration best practices in Oracle Fusion BI Publisher. Mastering these concepts ensures your reports are flexible and enterprise ready. Thanks for joining this session. Until next time, happy reporting.